Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best golf balls for mid-handicappers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Callaway Golf ERC Soft Golf Balls. This ball is designed for golfers who want a balance between distance and control, making it a fantastic choice for mid-handicappers. One standout feature is its triple-track 360 fade technology, which aids in alignment for putts and delivers exceptional precision on the green. The soft polyurethane cover ensures a satisfying feel, while also providing excellent greenside spin. In terms of design, the ERC Soft Golf Ball has a sleek, modern look with clear alignment lines that are both functional and appealing. Its build quality is impressive, featuring a durable yet soft outer layer that complements its advanced core for maximum ball speed and performance from tee to green. Whether you're looking to improve your drives or sharpen your short game, this ball delivers consistent results. While priced slightly above budget options, the ERC Soft offers tremendous value for those seeking mid-range performance. However, it may not provide the same level of durability as higher-end balls, and some golfers may find the alignment lines unnecessary. Overall, this ball is ideal for players who want balanced performance without breaking the bank. Pros: excellent alignment technology, soft feel, great for mid-handicappers. Cons: slightly less durable than premium options. At number 4, we have the Callaway Golf Warbird golf balls. These balls are engineered for maximum ball speed, making them a strong contender for players seeking extra distance off the tee. Thanks to its extra-large, high-energy core, the Warbird provides impressive compressibility and unlocks potential distance for golfers of all swing speeds. The Hex aerodynamics technology further enhances launch and reduces drag, ensuring high-speed flight and long carry. The Warbird's design features an ionomer cover that provides a solid feel while offering decent greenside control. The two-piece construction strikes a balance between durability and performance, but it is primarily geared toward distance rather than finesse. This ball is great for mid-handicappers who prioritize power and speed in their game, particularly on long par 4s and 5s. While the Warbird excels in distance, some golfers may find it lacks the soft feel and spin control needed for delicate shots around the green. Priced in the mid-range, it's a solid value, but it may not suit players looking for precision over power. Pros: exceptional distance, high-energy core, durable construction. Cons: limited greenside spin and softer feel compared to other options. Taking the number 3 spot is the Callaway Golf Super Soft Golf Balls 2023, a budget-friendly option that delivers outstanding performance for mid-handicappers. Known for its soft feel, this ball features a high-speed, low-compression core that promotes high launch and low spin, resulting in solid distance off the tee. The hybrid cover, made with paraloid impact modifier technology, ensures a soft touch while offering excellent greenside control. The Super Soft's design is simple yet effective, with a focus on delivering consistent results across all types of shots. Its Hex aerodynamics optimizes lift and reduces drag, allowing for longer, straighter flights. The soft compression makes it a great choice for golfers with slower to medium swing speeds, providing a forgiving feel during play. While it doesn't have the advanced features of higher-priced models, the Super Soft delivers exceptional value for its price point. It's perfect for golfers who want reliable performance without spending too much. Pros: affordable, soft feel, good distance and control. Cons: limited advanced features, not as durable as premium options. At number 2, we have the Callaway Golf Super Soft 2021 golf balls. While similar in name to the 2023 model, this version offers subtle differences that make it a top pick for mid-handicappers. The Supersoft 2021 features an innovative hybrid cover with paraloid impact modifier technology, giving it an exceptional balance of soft feel, fast ball speeds, and greenside control. Its high-speed soft compression core maximizes energy transfer, making it easier to achieve longer drives. The design incorporates hex aerodynamics for reduced drag and higher lift, providing excellent carry distance and a higher flight path. This ball is perfect for players who prefer a softer feel without sacrificing performance. While it's priced similarly to the 2023 model, its slightly different construction may appeal to golfers who prioritize feel and control over advanced alignment features. Overall, the Supersoft 2021 is a fantastic value for its price, offering consistent performance across all aspects of the game. However, like many budget options, durability may be a concern for frequent players. Pros: soft feel, great distance, well-rounded performance. Cons: limited durability compared to high-end models. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Srixon Soft Feel Golf Balls. These premium golf balls excel in delivering all-around performance, making them a perfect choice for mid-handicappers. The soft feel technology ensures a responsive touch, providing excellent control from tee to green. The low compression core is ideal for golfers with slower or medium swing speeds, offering easy launch and improved accuracy. One of the standout features of the Srixon Soft Feel is its 338 speed dimple pattern, which reduces drag and enhances lift for longer carry and more consistent ball flight. The thin polyurethane cover provides less spin off the driver, while delivering plenty of greenside spin for chips and pitches. This combination of features makes it highly versatile for various playing conditions. While the Srixon Soft Feel is the most expensive option on this list, its performance justifies the price. It's an excellent choice for golfers looking to elevate their game with superior feel, distance, and control. Pros: premium feel, great distance, excellent greenside performance. Cons: high price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.